The following segment is sponsored by Cotton Incorporated. Did you know the Seal of Cotton is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year? The SVP of Consumer Marketing, Kim Kitchings, is here to tell us all about cotton's true American story and how it is still the best choice fabric for consumers. Welcome, Kim. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me to celebrate this milestone for the Seal of Cotton, Brooke.
We are so glad to have you. Now, let's just launch right in. What is cotton's impact for consumers?
Sure. Well, when we talk about it two ways, one, economically, income is derived from more than 250 million people globally from cotton, and 28 million of that is with cotton farmers. When we look at apparel and home products that we purchase, about half of those contain cotton. But on a more personal level, from the day we are born, we are wrapped in a cotton blanket in the hospital. When we go home, we sleep on cotton sheets. We dry off with cotton towels. We live in T-shirts and denim that are made of cotton. And many of the hygiene products that we use also contain cotton. And some of your viewers may not realize it, but they're able to bake with cotton through cottonseed oil too, making cotton truly the fabric of our lives.
I'm just sitting here realizing how much cotton is all around me. Now, the Seal of Cotton is celebrating a 50th anniversary. Congratulations, by the way. How was the seal created in the first place?
Sure. So back in 1973, we created the seal really to regain market share from synthetic fibers. If you think about that era, it was the era of the polyester leisure suit.
Yes.
Cotton was losing market share, and we needed a way to identify cotton products. And so as you can see, the seal, very simple, to the point, says cotton, lets you know what you're purchasing. It was created to be on sewn-in labels, hang tags, and as our market share regained and our marketing evolved, we went into television and commercials and the famous fabric of our lives that exists today.
And how did the Seal of Cotton change consumers' view on fabrics?
Sure, as consumer awareness was heightened, more than 8 out of 10 are aware of the Seal of Cotton used, of course, more that used cotton products today, but they realized that how breathable cotton is. It doesn't irritate the skin, it's hypoallergenic, easy to care for, and then it lasts longer. Current research tells us that consumers keep items made of cotton in their closets for about 1.5 years longer than they do synthetic items. And in an economic climate like we have today with inflation and rising apparel prices, that's good for your wallet. But we also know that cotton is good for the environment too.
Oh, those are two major things I know everyone cares about, saving money and also protecting our planet. Where can we go for more information?
Sure, we would love for viewers to go to thefabricforourlives.com. There they can learn more information about how to recycle cotton, about its environmental impact, biodegradability. They can get information on how to get stains out, everyday issues that they have, and then also where to buy cotton items and who's partnering with us with the Seal of Cotton for the 50th anniversary.
And how are you going to be celebrating this 50th anniversary, Kim?
Well, we have a lot of different activities going on, and we have some collaborations with brands and retailers now, a recycling program called Blue Jeans Go Green with brands such as Madewell, American Eagle, Zappos.com, and then some fashion programs that are going on with, I know a brand most of your viewers will know, Aeropostale will be in the fall, but right now Lucky Brands and Revolve.com.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Kim. And again, congratulations on the anniversary.
Thank you.